Hey, this is the one and only storyteller coming to you from the tent of the 79 Ford. Had some bad storms the last few days. I thought the old tent was going to go down March the 9th or 10th. We'll make it, it's been up for 1 year, as you can tell. I have done a little improvising, a little work to it, extra. I did put these braces in here to help the joints. The reason why I bring this up is I've heard throughout the years people, I don't have a garage. I don't have a garage. I can't do my own work. I can't do my own restoration. I don't have a garage. As you can see here, $89. $89. I think I give $3 or $4 per concrete stone step. The screws are about there again, about $10. And then of course the zip ties. I've already figured out that the next time I do this, or if I ever do it again, I'm gonna use 1-inch conduit and take a cutoff saw and cut enough gap in it that you can slide the pipe up on here, put it together, and then slide the conduit over it and then screw to it to give it strength that it needs to hold. Now this tent was not 100% was not made to stay up for a year. It's only made for like family reunions, graduations, parties, things of that nature. It was never meant to be standing a year after it was put up. And I do know that sooner or later the wind is going to get it. But what I'm getting to is for right at $120, it depends on how how you want to go at it, or how in depth you want to get. I mean, if you really wanted to, you could put a 1x6 all the way across the bottom and put some stakes on the back side, and then take a staple gun and staple that bottom to that 1x6, and you could keep all the water out of the tent. There would be no water in here, be no air much coming in here. There's a lot of things you could do to to get your projects moving, get them moving in the right direction, to do your own work. It's just a shame that, like I said, I've heard so many people say, I don't have a place to work. Well, for $120 and about 4.5 to 6 hours work, you can have a place to work. You can have a place to work. And on the outside, I'll show you here. On the outside here, I've did a few things a little different. This is 24-inch rebar. I took a 24-inch rebar and I took a grinder and cut the end, slide a 5/8, I think it's 5/8 washer down in it, and welded it for an eyelet. And I did it on each corner, and I also put the stepping stone in between. What happens is the water gets trapped in behind here and pushes down. So what I had to do was make a contraption. As you can see here, so you can see it V's out and goes down to a tent stake you can get at Walmart. That keeps this part pulled down and keeps the water from being trapped behind it and keeps from breaking the bar. Like I said, it's all in what you want to do. Are you one of those people who who just want to make up excuses? Or are you one of those people who really want an opening shot? Just give me a shot. Give me a chance. Give me an opening in the crack of the door and I'm going through it. It depends on if you're one of those people or not. Tent, yeah. There may be people in the neighborhood that's going to make fun of you about your tent. Well, you're doing a remodel. You're doing a complete restore. You're doing some mechanic work to save yourself thousands of dollars. It can be done very easily. It's things you can do with your family, things you can do with your friends, things you can do with your children. It all depends on whether you're going to be one of those people who are going to make excuses, or you're going to be one of those people who are going to put things into action. You're going to get up and move. Or you're going to be the frog sitting in the bottom of the skillet until you fry and never make an attempt to get out. That's the bottom line. Make fun of my tent if you want. that's fine by me. You know, it works great. It works good. If it fell down tomorrow, I can't complain. You know, it's been a good tent. It's been a good place to do work. You know, and that's what it's all about. It's all about being in a good place. Being in a good place that you can do something on your own. So, the reason why I turned the video on this morning was I have got the exhaust, as you can tell right here. The exhaust is undone on both sides. We got that undone, or undid, on both sides. Screws are out. I thought sure I was going to break them off, but I sprayed some penetrating oil on them. Some seafoam penetrating oil, you know, about a week ago, and that seemed to have done the trick. The heads, what's coming off next, I got all the push rods out. I'm fixing to take the heads off. I just want to give you a quick update. I've been cleaning out around here, trying to get things done, trying to get things in order. I got the wire harnesses loose. That itself is going to take a lot of time to complete the wiring harness to get it back up to par. I'll have to tape it. I have to order some non-stick tape from Amazon or YouTube. Not YouTube, but eBay. YouTube, okay. So this is non-stick. I could use electrical tape. The electrical tape has a real bright shine to it. I guess it would be okay. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just that I'd rather go back with what was original. I think it'll do a little bit better job. But if I can't find any non-stick flannel tape or vinyl tape, then I'll just use electrical tape. So that's just a short video for today. There again, I did download two video editors. I've been playing around with them just a little bit. So we're fixing to get this thing started, I think. I did buy a GoPro 7, brand new off of eBay. I think it's a GoPro 7 with a 64 gigabyte card. I did went up on an extra batteries because I know in YouTube land, how many times have I heard, you know, batteries dying or battery went dead. So we're going to try and eliminate those problems. I've watched enough YouTube. Maybe I can not do the same mistakes. So that I also ordered a little kit to come with a stand and covers, and you know, so good thing is I can use it outdoors is you know, as I can use it with the restoration project. So you know, it's not there again, under 150 bucks. You know, sometimes you gotta invest in yourself or invest in something different. You know, you gotta take a shot. You know, 150 bucks. You know, most people, you know, spend that, lose that, you know, weekly. So I think it's worth a shot. So we're gonna give it a run and see what's going on. I still do not know exactly what year model this engine is. I think it's a 79. I think it came out of a 79 Bronco. So, you know, it is a 351 M400 modified with it, you know, however you want to pronounce that or see that. But we're fixing to take the heads off and see what's in there. And when I get the heads off and get a few more things done, I'll make another short video and let you know and show you what it looks like and what's going to have to be done. So, appreciate you stopping by.